G'day, here's a couple of examples of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Basically it's being sold as little specimens. It's not high grade gem material. Rules in millimetres, and I'll zoom in. Okay, I've zoomed in there. Basically little flats of colour here. Whether that goes underneath here I'm not sure. Probably be able to cut this off here a bit, perhaps. But looks like it finishes there. This piece is a bigger face, but not as much colour. This might grind off. But basically, it'd be okay for little bases for gem trees or little bronze brass sculptures or something like that, or who knows, for your fish tank. There's a couple of ideas. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.